Hello students. So today in this video I am starting unit 2, that is operating web. It is for grade 12, subject IT, and subject code is 802. So the very first topic is operating web based applications. So what do you mean by web based applications? All those applications which we access using internet comes under the category of web based applications. Nowadays, there are many such applications like online ticket booking, online shopping, online tutorials, online test, and many other applications are there through which we can learn many things and we can use it for online shopping, for booking the tickets according to the requirement. Also, nowadays, we can communicate with each other with the help of the web based applications. This has made easy for us for communicating from any location. It allows access to the facilities via the internet from the comfort of home, office, or any place. We don't have to stand in a long queue or waiting for our turn for booking any ticket. We can just book the tickets using the online reservation system. So nowadays the technology has become very vast that we can use and access the internet and also make our requirements fulfill with the help of internet. So the second topic is online reservation system. An online reservation system allows booking cancellation of ticket through use of internet. So as we know that we can access these kind of applications using internet at any time. There is no foundation of time and it is independent from our location. We can use it from any location. So there are various online reservation system for booking various tickets. For example, airline ticket, railway ticket, bus ticket, movie ticket, hotel booking, car rental, tour and travel booking. So we can fulfill our requirement with the help of online reservation system for booking the ticket. Such reservation systems store information and allow users to retrieve information. For example, the information about all the flights from Delhi to Mumbai, like timings, prices, air, flight provider, Air India, SpiceJet, etc., and availability of seats. A user who wishes to fly from Delhi to Mumbai can check the information about the flight timings, rates, seat availability, etc., and book ticket. So what does it mean? Like, with the help of these online reservation system, firstly these applications provide us the complete information about the product. If I am booking the ticket for the flight from Delhi to Mumbai, so the product, the online reservation system will provide me the details like its timing, prices, air flight provider like Air India, SpiceJet, etc., and the availability of seats and many other information I can see with the help of these online reservation system. And after going through all the details, I can book the ticket according to the requirement. So for this I don't have to go anywhere. I can also pay for this ticket with the help of online transaction like from my debit card or credit card. Now next is advantages of online reservation system, that how these systems are useful for us. So the online reservation system is useful for the user as well as for the company which is providing this facility. So firstly we will go through the advantages of for consumers. Convenient. It is very easy to use and we can use it from any location, from our home, from our office, or from any location we can access it and we can use it. We can also pay using this online reservation system with the help of a credit card or a debit card. Next is price comparison. For example, user is using Make My Trip application. So in this application, for flight booking, user can see the complete information regarding the flight which user wants to book the ticket, and according to his requirement, according to the user requirement, with the help of this website www.makemytrip.com, user can easily retrieve the information related to the flight and book the ticket according to the requirement. For this, user don't have to be dependent on any travel agent. He or she can use and access the information from the website and easily book the ticket. Next is security. Many online reservation sites provides the username and password. It asks for the sign up and creates the username and password for the user. It means with the username and password, the information remains secure. Next is confirmation of reservation. So once the ticket has been booked, you will be confirmed with the help of an email or a phone number which you have provided by sign up the application. Making choice. So online booking system provides you the choice. For example, if you have to book a movie ticket, so online movie ticket product will provide you the following information like the how many cinemas are going through a particular movie, its price, the availability of seats, and according to which you can book the ticket so easily. Time saving. As you know that with the help of internet you are using the application, so you can use it from any location. It will save your time rather than going to the for booking any ticket and standing in a long queue. So it saves your time. Next is discount scheme. Various online reservation system also provide the discount scheme and the special offers like season discount, advance booking discount, and many other discounts are there according to the service providers. Now advantages for providers means that the company which has produced this application, how these applications are also useful for them. So first is requires less staffing. As you know that for developing the application you don't have to go anywhere, you just sit at your location and develop the application. And you, for book, if the user books the ticket with the help of your website, then the user don't have to come and you don't have to treat them physically. They will just book the ticket from the software of your company. So it don't requires the large number of staffing in the company. No special restrictions. The organization which is providing online reservation may be operating from the basement of their house, a garage, an office space in a small building, an office in a large commercial mall. So it is independent of the office area because the user will not be coming to the company. User will just book the ticket online. So it is independent of that where is the company located. Global access. Online reservation is available to anyone irrespective of their physical location. The scope of access to the online reservation becomes large as anyone who has access to the internet can search for the reservation site and book the tickets. So what it means? Like with the help of internet we don't have to go anywhere. We can just use the internet for accessing these kind of applications. So this was all about the online reservation system advantages. In my next video I'll be going through the precautions while performing online transactions. For today, have a nice day and thank you.